Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening this video today. I am in Hellshire, out in the Portmore area, St. Catherine. Ladies and gentlemen, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is for sale, and this one could be for you, so do not go away. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell or buy or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. Ladies and gentlemen, this property comes completely fenced. This one just needs you to move inside. Also, when you go upstairs, so this one is already designed for you to go upstairs. You go upstairs, you will have a beautiful view of Hellshire and its environs. All right, and straight across there too, you can also see the city of Kingston. So you already have your garage door in place. You have a really spacious porch right here. Oh yeah, boy, I tell you, it's very cool. You can just sit out here and relax and listen to the birds. Hear some chickens. Hear a rooster in the middle of the day, huh? Alright everybody, so let's head on inside. So as you can see, you have a really spacious living area. Yes, it's spacious, it's bright. You have ample windows. Your windows come with their mesh through here. You have your dining area. So this dining area can get you a 8-seater, even a 10-seater, just depends on how you turn it. Here you have your kitchen space. So this is your kitchen space right here. So let me just go through to the back before I get to the bedrooms. So passing a bedroom here, but I just want to show you the laundry area. So you have a really spacious laundry in here, right? And I will get to the rest of the backyard for you. As you can see, it's already paved, and you do have an area that you can plant. And for those of you with a green thumb, can still plant. All right, so we're going to enter the first bedroom. I'm entering it from the back. All right, so this is one of the bedrooms here. Very spacious. Basically, this house, all I would do is just paint it. Really, it has everything is already in tip-top shape. This is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 does come with the closet space. As you can see, you have ample venting, ample light with the windows. This is the first bathroom. So bedroom 1 and 2 will share this bathroom. Probably do a renovation in here if you don't like the tiles. But basically, it's just the tiles you would probably change. Everything else is looking good. Looking good. You could also update the mirror. Yeah, you could. But everything else is looking good. You could update your countertop as well and your faucet. But it's looking good so far. So you have seen bedroom number 1 over here, and you have also seen bedroom number 2, and you have seen the bathroom that they would share. All right, so I'm now going to get into the master bedroom. So the master bedroom comes with an AC unit. So this bedroom also comes with an ensuite bathroom, and it comes with your closet space. So this one is a little bit more updated bathroom. Good paint job, and you should be okay in here. Change your mirror, put in some cabinetry instead of the pedestal, a nice granite countertop, undermount sink, and you should be good in here. So this, and of course, you have more than enough space in this walk-in closet. Lots of space. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this one could be for you. I'm going to head through to the back and show you the backyard. So just a quick look again at this is the dining area. As you can see, we have no leaks, ladies and gentlemen. This one is totally move-in ready. You want a nice, big, spacious house. You can just come and put down your living room chair and your centerpiece and all these things. Passage is fairly wide too, so you don't feel cramped or closed in. This one could be for you. I'm in Hellshire. Very cool. It's the middle of the day, but it's very cool. So this is a backyard. Backyard is fully fenced right around. And for those of you who you love to garden, there's a space here. You can do that. Let me look at this side here. I do believe this side is paved right around. Yes. You do have some garden spaces. As you can see, I have molding on the windows. And if you look up on top, you will see that it was already designed to go upstairs. So there are your electrical and plumbing pipes. Steel work. So you have all of this side that you can go to town on with flowers and whatever it is you want to plant, everybody. I know some of you really love to plant, eh? Alright, so basically this is it. So this one just needs somebody's love and tender care. Give me a call, 876-292-6776. You can also call 370-8138. Both those numbers also are WhatsApp numbers, and you can actually use those numbers, the WhatsApp, and call us or communicate by messaging. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for staying with me. And remember, be great to yourself and buy real estate.